Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in CIT Bank online banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in cit.com/sign-in, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of CIT Bank. You'll be able to find the section for manage your account over here. Simply click on the field of select. Now you'll be able to find various options for personal, commercial and other services. In the section for personal, you'll be able to find the option for online banking. Simply click on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for online banking. Click on this option, sign in. Now you can see over here you'll be led to another website, so click on the option continue. Now you'll be led to the official login interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your user ID and password. So click on the field of user ID and enter the user ID over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you need any help signing into your account, click on this option, help signing into your account. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you sign in CIT Bank online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.